Finally, we have our conjunctions, those tiny little words that we use to combine ideas and tell us how they're related to each other. So there are only three of them, and you already know the first one, which is a, and. Okay, it is pronounced a, even though it's spelled et. The word is a. We use this primarily to connect two activities that we both liked. So j'aime danser et chanter. I like to dance and to sing. Of course, we can use this in plenty of other sentences. So probably the most common way we've seen it otherwise is in subjects. So if I say, for example, Greg et moi, so Greg and I, nous aimons something or other, so we like something. Or we'll see it sometimes in third person, so we'll say like Greg et Bob, okay, Greg and Bob, they like something. Okay, however, we can also use it in this situation in order to replace having to say j'aime twice. So rather than saying j'aime danser, j'aime chanter, we can combine them together with an A. In the negative, though, we're going to flip to ou, meaning or. Okay, so je n'aime pas étudier ou travailler. I don't like to study or to work. This is even more helpful because je n'aime pas is such a long phrase. So we really don't want to have to say that twice. Je n'aime pas étudier, je n'aime pas travailler. It's a lot clearer, easier, simpler, much better for everyone involved just to replace the second je n'aime pas with an ou. Je n'aime pas étudier ou travailler. And then finally the word but. Okay. In French we're going to say mais. A-I-S is also pronounced A. Okay. So mais. This is an incredibly useful word. In this particular unit we used it to state preferences. So for example, in Unit 2.1 we learned the sentence Je parle français, mais je préfère anglais. So I speak French, but I prefer English. So a much more polite way to tell someone, hey, French, is maybe a little bit, less confident, so let's use English. We can use it to say, I kind of like doing something, but I really prefer this. Okay, or we can use it to contrast two different people. So I can say, like, I speak French, but my husband speaks Spanish. Okay, je parle français, mais il parle espagnol.